In this video, I'm going to create more gorgeous cells, but this time in our crystal edge square mold. I'm using Trasparente Resin from Resin Pro. There's no N in there. It's Trasparente. And it's the same colors that I used in our video number 153, except I just reversed the order of them. Instead of putting Prussian blue down first, I'm putting Prism violet down and just creating a little border around the crystal edges before I pour my white. And this is going to be a super short video because I didn't even film the colors in my hand, so it's pretty much just the quick pour. And this is a Larimar pour, but none of these finished results look like a Larimar effect, which I'm fine with because I think these results look better than the Larimar pour. So I poured the Prism Violet, then the white, then the rest of the Prism Violet, and then the Prussian blue. And then I have a tiny bit of Cerulean blue hue just to open it up to put my glass and glitter in. And that's it. It's pretty fast. If you go back and look at video 153 after this to see the difference between the two, it's both beautiful results, but totally different because the mold shape is different. Same exact amount of resin though, about 9.5 ounces total. And now the magic happens when we get that gorgeous cell action. This is such reactive resin and it's so cool to watch happen. I didn't even speed this up at all. This is just how long it took. Look at that beautiful cell action happening. I could watch it for hours, but I think this video is less than 3 minutes long. And then the next day, it's time to demold. And I have some close-ups here of how it looks. Look at how pretty that is. I had a little bit of a darker center, but those edges, the crystal edges on this gave elongated flower shapes, which was different than the video 153. So same colors, same mixtures, two different results from two different molds. If you want to create resin art like this, check out our crystal edge square mold on crystalresinart.com.